So hi guys, what is up? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we are going on a ride. So basically just to give you a little info and the description about this particular ride. So firstly, it's going to be a solo ride. Right now I have some of the kilometers left to do before I do my first servicing. So that's where this solo trip planning came from. It's going to be a 200 kilometers of ride to and fro. So we are going to go 100 kilometers from my house. We are going to have breakfast over there. If at all there is any place to explore and all of those things, so we are going to do that. The time is 6:40 as of now. As you can see, the time is 6:40 and it is kind of drizzling. So right now the rain has come down, but as soon as it stops, I am going to be all set for the ride. So I'll see you when I am riding. So right now we are all set to go ahead for a ride. So I'm going to put my maps on in a while because I already know the road till halfway. So let's start. Ganpati Bappa Moria. So right now we are on the service road of the Viviana Mall. So the Viviana Mall is right there, and this is the cut that we need to take to go to the highway. So the time is, as you can see, it's 6:58 AM. 5 minutes back it has just rained, and right now it is kind of drizzling. So basically I am not wearing any rain gear with me, as you can see. But if it rains and everything, then I'll have to quickly take a stop and then I'll have to move ahead. So right now on our left hand side there is a khadi, which is Thane Khadi. It's a Thane Creek basically. That's over here. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it or no. So right now I haven't worn my pant and it is already kind of dirty. As you can see, the trucks and everything, when they are moving, they splash a lot of dirt. That's the reason. This is the toll naka. I don't know which toll naka this is, but this is one of the toll plaza that we need to cross. Basically, just to tell you, we are going to the Manas Resort. Okay, so we are actually going there for breakfast, as I said. Right now I am just quickly going to take a stop just to show you guys. So this is what a small rain has done, and the cars that were going in front of me, look at my specs. This is how I was riding the whole time. Look how the helmet is. It is even worse. As you can see, the windshield, you can't see anything from the windshield. It's like that. So I have just quickly stopped here for a break. As you can see, there are mountains and everything in the behind. It is very peaceful. So we have just stopped here for 5 minutes or so. I wanted to clean up all of the things and we'll proceed. What an amazing view. Due to rains, everything has turned so green and the roads are not bad. I think the roads are pretty good and I'm maintaining a constant speed of 60 to 70. The sky is clear, there's no rain, and it is just a peaceful ride. Right now, as you can see, इधर थोड़ा accident हुआ है. So this is the container and पता नहीं यार, this is gone, नीचे खाई में चला गया है. Quite dangerous. And there's this Ashoka waterfall that we went last time. This is the road for the Ashoka waterfall. For the Manas Resort, we need to go more 5 to 6 kilometers, and it's showing 10 minutes in the map. So I think it's really on the highway only. This is the Manas Lifestyle Resort. We just go to the Manas Petting and Zoo, which is, I think, this one. And so we have arrived at the location, and I just wanted to check over here that if these guys give breakfast. Breakfast चालू है? कुठे लावू? you can see, we have just arrived at the Manas Resort. So basically, if you can see, the view is pretty amazing. There is this infinity pool kind of a thing, and after that, it's completely greenery. So this is the place around. If you can see, this is complete a wooden structure. So if you can see over here, these are the rooms and everything. So I have asked these guys if I can go and pet the dogs, as well as if we can go and check out the animals that these guys have. But apparently these guys are saying if you're staying over here, then only it's possible that we'll let you in. But let me just request them and everything. Quickly freshen up and everything, as my hands and everything are quite dirty. So post that, I'll speak to the management over here and let me see if they let me in. So right now I have just quickly freshened up and all. Meanwhile I'm talking to the management about letting me in the property, and so that I can show you the animals. So they have parrots. The pictures and everything that I saw, that were quite amazing. So they have macaws and all of those things, as well as 2-3 dogs that they have. And right now this is the place. It looks very beautiful and it's very premium. It is kind of expensive. It is gonna kind of on a higher side. I'll just quickly show you the menu. And yeah, so this is the menu. So basically I have just called for puri bhaji as of now. So this is the pricing. It's on a higher side, but I think the quality and because of the place, I think it's doing justice over here. So this is the puri bhaji that I ordered. The bhaji looks interesting and it's very spicy, I feel. It's not much of a oil that these guys have consumed. And with this view, you can't wait to have food. So this is just amazing. So quickly I'll just finish my food and I'll see you. So right now we spoke to the management and everything. So the GM was really nice for the Manas Resort. So now he has given us a permission to enter the resort, and I'm really very excited to show you guys. And this is going to be my experience, as well as, trust me, whenever you plan to be over here, this is going to be a fabulous experience for you guys also. So the Manas Resort staff. So this is Gokul from Manas Resort. So he is going to give me a quick tour about what all these guys have in the resort. So let us go in. So here is the fish. Here is a small pond that these guys have created. This is one of the turtles that these guys have kept over here. This is the second turtle, and this is the fish that is there over here. So this looks really nice. So moving ahead. So these are the rabbits. Hey, काय है हे वाला? The best part of this property is the pool. So I'll just quickly show you the pool, how it is. So basically this is a 5 feet depth of the swimming pool, and मतलब बहुत clear पानी है यार. And this is the view for the swimming pool. It has got an infinity view, as you guys can see over here. This is a place where you can sit and chill, and this has got an amazing view, as you can see. So basically it is very nice. If you can see the view behind me, it's completely, all of the mountains it is covered between the mountains. And this is the swimming pool right over here. It's on the edge. And this is the second swimming pool, which is a mini swimming pool. So as you can see over here behind me, there's this one goat. Goat is specially known for climbing on the hilly areas, and that's the reason maybe these guys have kept the rocks over here. So if you can see, the goat is standing right here on the rock. I don't know how it has gone there. These are the ducks and everything that they have inside the place. So this is another goat, as you can see over here. This is another goat. So finally the weight and what I saw in the picture, I'll just quickly show you the birds over here. These guys are exotic birds. So basically this is the scarlet macaw. This is the scarlet macaw, and I think it's pretty good in height and everything. Yeah, I think if I'm not wrong, 1 meter ka nahi, particular macaw. And similarly there's this other mango. Okay, so the yellow one, if you can see over here, he's hiding his neck. I don't know, he's camera shy or something, but his name is Mango. So even that particular is a scarlet macaw. Okay, and over here, if you can, white bird, what you can see over here, it's an umbrella kakadu. And from what years do you have these? Like
from last 6 years.
From 6 years they are here. And I heard that these guys speak.
Yes. They say hello, everything. They repeat actually.
Okay. Over here, the green color. So that's an
Grand Electus.
Grand Electus. So I think these I am at least listening it for the very first time, and the birds look very nice. Grey birds over there. So these are African greys. So as you can see, this green birds over here and there. So these are green small cockatoos that these birds are, and so this is so beautiful. I can't tell you in words. So as I said, these are some exotic birds that I had to see, and actually we got to know a lot of things over here about this particular place, and as particularly these birds and everything. So having said that, it's time to leave. I'll quickly join my ride and I'll see you. Right now we are leaving the Manas Resort. So the time is 10:50 and the climate over here is a little cool. If you can see over here, that's the valley right there. And let me just quickly stop by and I'll just show you. So as you can see, I just quickly pulled over near the valley from where the fog was coming. So basically this is the valley over here. As you can see, there's this little stream that's coming from here. It is a very pleasant place to be. I'm not going to stop much of a time here because I need to complete my ride as well. It is a complete fog, and because of the wind coming from that side, the whole fog is on the road. So if you can see over here, there's this complete fog which is coming just because of the valley. So I'll just quickly go and hop onto my bike and we'll continue the ride. Right now, as you can see, it has already started drizzling again and we are stuck in traffic. I don't think this is going to move क्योंकि नीचे से भी देख रहा हूँ तो it is packed only. I think it's going to take a good 10-15 minutes for us to move from here. So I'll see you once I reach home. So hi guys, I finally reached home. So basically it is 1:30. I took a halt in between and we got a lot of traffic as well as it was raining, so I did not vlog much, and that's the reason I'm kind of late. So if you can see, this is what the rain does to you when you're traveling on bike. So especially wear a proper mask so that you're safe. Today was a breakfast ride. It was not planned at all. I know I was going to Manas Resort, but there were two. First one was the Manas Resort and the second one was the Manas Resort Petting and Zoo. So basically I just went over there and I just spoke, and they luckily gave me a chance to vlog and all of those things. So if you have liked this particular video, it was my breakfast ride and it was a solo ride altogether. So please give it up a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and please subscribe to my channel if you're new over here. I will be uploading content every weekend, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a servicing review for Royal Enfield Himalayan, because after this particular ride I am directly going and giving my bike to the service center. So let me know if you want that technical vlog to come up. So having said that, bye bye, see you, take care, see you in the next week.